Alright, just knocking some snow off. Haven't got the stove set up yet. Alright, had to scrape the snow off and get this sucker fired up real quick. The current situation. But from looking out there, it's very, very tall snow. Alright, so we've been knocking the snow down throughout the night. You can see the snow's pushing in. It's got to sneak out and get an outside look, see how bad it is.
Stepping on the snow.
Holy smokes, it's deep. You can start knocking it off the roof if you want. Alright. Keep digging it out, as you can see. Just a little bit of snow there. Of course, you can see it piled up, then the undisturbed is still pretty dang deep. I'm gonna remeasure it because it was 20.5 inches earlier. But we also had rain last night, so pretty dang awesome. This is holding up really well. Some power inlet. Here's the inside of the tent with the wind going on. I actually pulled the stove pipe out from right about here, so it flopped over. We had to evacuate the stove. Oh, now we're just relying on a space heater to keep it warm in here. Seeing how it does, and then right there you can see the stove, and then toss the pipes right there real quick. Real icy Arctic winds blowing. I guess it doesn't really look that bad on camera though. Oh, look at that. Alright, we're out here taking it down. Had our fun. Had to set the stove out over here. This pipe came off and we're finishing up anyway. Pulled out the floor liner. As you can see, there's lots of, not really lots, just lots of little snow accumulations everywhere. We reverse rolled the awning so it didn't collect terribly bad. Trying to get to our next tie down spot under the ice. And obviously, if we're going slow so we don't puncture the tent, and we're not trying to go fast, just kind of slow and accurate. Okay. So hold that. Go over here to the corner so we know where the corner's at. Pull up this little line. Obviously gives us a little clue in, and there's ice accumulation, so. Okay, so see, didn't puncture the tent. Just kind of on a nice little dig there to get it where we need to go.
I hate when that happens. I skip the same thing.
Doesn't look like that wants to go that good. That's fine. Pull it out. There's another one. Keep working our way around.
Snow just flew into my eye.
I believe it. Okay. Apparently the ground isn't all that frozen. See, so we got our two tents, so obviously you know you don't want to go smashing in here. Get out here a little bit. Not too bad, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, try not to set these on the tents, they're dirty.
Just my hands are freezing.
You can pause it and then we can stop filming. Alright, here's our footprint with our under tarp. Right now we're just folding it up. Gonna take it into the garage and get the fans on it, dry it out. Might even try the leaf blower trick. Alright, here's getting it hung up in the garage. Gonna kick off all this extra snow. And roll it a bit. Get all that kicked off and send out the garage.